Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. This video is all about a strawberry plucking experience that we had at Panchgani. मुझे वो मेरे previous vlog में नहीं डालना था cause बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा था video. And I wanted this video to be concentrating just on the strawberry plucking experience because we absolutely loved it and we had a great time. And if you guys are going during strawberry season, this is something that you definitely should experience. That's why this entire vlog is here. And I forgot to shoot the intro and outro, which is why I'm doing it right now. But let's get on with the video so that you can see what the experience looked like. Guys, हम आए हैं यहाँ पर सनबेरी फार्म्स जो प्रोस्पेक्ट होटल प्रोस्पेक्ट के ओनर्स का ही एक फार्म है वेयर दे ग्रो फ्रेश स्ट्रॉबेरीज दैट गोज इनटू all the food that they make. So let me show you around. It's such a beautiful farm. They have a lot of stuff. I can see garlic, I can see tomatoes, I can see a lot of strawberry. So I'm in an entire strawberry field. Let me show you guys. There's a person right in front of me plucking fresh strawberries. So let me show you that. Check it out. So look at how fresh these are. Oh wow. Make todu. Look at this, guys. I have just plucked it and I'm going to eat it now. This is literally farm to mouth. It's not even, there's no table also involved in this. So let's go. You like the strawberries, right? It is so good and super juicy. I love it. It's so fresh and so juicy.
Can we all just move here when we grow old? I would just
Vidur guys photo खींच रहा है of the fresh strawberries and this is the farm. Such a beautiful place. This is, by the way, this is garlic. These are garlic and these are all strawberries and उधर थोड़े से टमाटर के भी झाड़ है. So I'm gonna pluck some strawberries. There are some really nice big ones over here. One and यहाँ भी है. 2, 3. Look at it. They are so nice and big and so red. And we have a bucket here in which you can put all of it. जो बाद में हम अभी खरीद कर लेकर जाने वाले हैं. नहीं, ये इन्होंने किया है सारा. And the strawberry was so juicy that when I had it, it literally sprayed all over me. So my t-shirt has gone red now, but looking good. I'm excited to take these home and then eat it.
How was your experience strawberry plucking? This is the first
Loved
time
it.
you've done this?
Yeah, no, this is not my first time. I did it once a long time ago, but that time there were a lot more people, so this is more fun because
This is
hum
a
akele hi hai.
personalized
This is a more
experience.
personalized experience.
I don't think so they allow anyone to come. This is
I don't know, maybe.
You are a special guest.
But you guys can also come here now that we're putting all the details in the description, so you all can
Show
come.
us the strawberries.
Let's go.
Oh wow,
This is, look at the size of this one.
juicy.
Look at this one.
It is juicy. I can see it on your clothes.
I'm going to live my DDLJ moment, but in a strawberry farm because I love food. So let's go. This is the other half of the farm over here and they have a lot of plants. और यहाँ पर जो भी ग्रो होता है वो होटल प्रॉस्पेक्ट के फूड में यूज़ होता है. So you know that the stuff is going to be great. It's growing right here in front of us. And हमने जो देखा है, let me show you what all we saw. I don't know what's what, guys, क्योंकि अभी मेरे साथ जो बता रहे थे वो उस साइड चले गए and I'm showing you. But if you guys can identify, definitely let me know what all they have over here. I definitely saw some cabbage. This is a little cabbage plant, I guess. And then there's उस side lettuce वगैरह भी है. And there's lots of stuff here. It's so beautiful. That's all tomatoes. This is 1 step, 2 step, and we were on the 3rd step right on top first. So it's so gorgeous and so stunning. There's also a well over there. वहाँ से I think वो rain water harvesting वगैरह या कुछ करते होंगे जहाँ से you know the water gets supplied to this farm. So let me take you to the well. I can see over here, I think this is a papaya plant and we just had some papaya for breakfast. I'm guessing that also came from here. And let's go. There's a dam over there. बाकी सब काफ़ी आगे चले जा चुके हैं. विदुर वहाँ है और I'm also walking towards them now. So let me show you guys what the dam view looks like. It's so beautiful out here. the air is so clean. इतनी सुंदर जगह है ये. Just want to stay here forever. Oh my god, कौन? भुट्टा. ये भुट्टे का झाड़ है. Thought as much. तो and I think these might be turning into villas where people can come and stay. तो ये भी बन रहा है अभी. This is an 80 feet well and you guys can hear the echo and that's me over there. Yeah, both of us are vlogging guys. Crazy. Just look at it. ये देखो विदुर चल के जा रहा है और हमारा गाइड डॉग he is running. His name is Moti. He stays here at this property and he's sort of guiding us where to go. वो तो उस साइड चला गया है बट हमारे एक्चुअल जो गाइड थे इस तरफ है बट आई थिंक वहाँ से भी रास्ता है सो ही इज़ गॉन देयर बट ओ माय गुडनेस गाइज लुक एट द व्यू इट इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल.
बकरे भी है. बकरे as well.
Yeah, I know, I saw. So there are a few goats over there and yeah, it's really beautiful. Guys, this is Moti and he is the dog who takes care of this property. Uncle Moti क्या करता है मुझे बताओ.
बंदर भगाता है. जब दिखता है इसको तब दौड़ाता है इसको.
हाँ, ऊपर स्ट्रॉबेरीज खाने से बचाता है ना.
बचाता है.
Such a cute little boy. Good doggo. Do you also have strawberry and cream, Moti? Windy it is. It breaks fast. Look at all the छोटा बवंडर. So they've brought us here to this beautiful viewpoint. That's Mahu Dam, that's Mahu village. It's so stunning. इतना सुंदर है पानी. It's so blue. बहुत अच्छी जगह, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है guys. Very undistracted view for as far as your eyes can see. And there everyone's going back. So I'm also going to follow them now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a total blast doing this as a family at Sunberry Farms. So Sunberry Farms is also a property by Hotel Prospect. Now we just happened to inquire and ask them कि क्या आपके पास strawberry plucking का activity है? Do you guys have a farm? And they said yeah we do. You all can go and you all can pluck some strawberries and you can even buy strawberries from there. And it was a massive farm. तो हमने बहुत सारे strawberries खरीदी. I think हमने कुछ 5 या 6 किलो strawberries खरीदी and every evening we've been eating strawberry with ice cream and Nutella and those strawberries are absolutely freaking delicious. So we had a blast and the entire experience was just so much fun and even the fruit of the experience was great. The thing is, this is an activity that is very seasonal, so obviously you have to go in strawberry season to experience this. But other than that, even if you are generally traveling to Panchgani, this is something you can do at any other farm. So definitely check with the farms over there and I'm sure they would be happy to help you out. I've left all the details of Sunberry Farms and everything about Hotel Prospect in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.